Right now, I am outside my window. And right now, I'm getting microwaves, which is the RF number. And these numbers are constantly flowing through my window. 223, 106. And like I said in my last video, or this video, that these numbers are high. 418, 305, 104. These numbers are extremely high. And all these numbers are directed into my home. I'm getting microwaves from this side of my house, on the other side of my house where my bedroom is, and also I'm getting it like right there by my back door. I'm constantly getting radiation or microwave, is what we know it to be, microwave, constantly flowing into my home. And over time, these things can make you sick. And some of them is power line. And my reader lets me know whether it's power line or whatever. And I am getting these numbers. And I've been getting these numbers for months. And it's constant, daily, every day. And we don't get no rest from this. This is from the morning to the night. And to the night to the morning. 24 hours a day. I'm constantly getting microwaves shoved into my home. I don't know who's doing it, but this is not right. Somebody's responsible for this. Somebody's responsible. Because before, I never had numbers like this. Never. Look at this. That's ridiculous. And these numbers are like way up in the hundreds. I'm constantly getting microwaves being shoved into my home. This is ridiculous. And it's aimed right at windows, doors, wherever they see fit. It'll even go through walls. Any way possible, they can get it in there good. This is ridiculous. And I've seen numbers all the way up to 800, 900. Turn it sideways because it might give me words. Okay, it's going to be all the way on the right hand side. Let me see. Okay, that's say mixed. Look at that. These numbers constantly flowing in. All right, thank you.